Okay, here we go again. It's a beautiful day. We're going to enjoy it on the bike. Yes. It's about 25 degrees C, August 13. It's perfect. Let's go. So I'm going to try to go around the Riviere Saint-Francois. Hopefully I'll be able to make some nice shots of the river itself. I think the level is low. We might see some fish jump out of the water. That would be something. So good. I love riding the bike on days like this. Nobody on the roads. The wind, freedom, happiness. It's a sweet, sweet ride, I tell you. Could do this all day long. But got to get back to work tomorrow. So we're going to enjoy this Sunday afternoon before going back to the madness in the office. Why am I thinking about work when I should be enjoying this? Fuck work. This is life. A bluebird, a jay, blue jays. Sorry. That might not show well on the video, but there's a lot of birds around here. It's called sanctuaire, which means in French like a special place for nature, animals, people, where you can be one with nature and your fellow neighbors, friends, family. It's a good life. Yep, it's a good life. No stress. Look at this guy going, yes. And here, this one is much more relaxed. Yeah, this whole area is brand new. When I was a kid, like 40 years ago, all this was farmland. And I remember there was one of our neighbor. He was like very, very old school, like an Amish type, and he didn't have electricity. He just took care of his farm. His last name was Fernand. No, first name was Fernand. I don't remember what was his last name, but the guy was a very, very happy man. But he had a tough life, taking care of the farm all by himself. His wife was killed by a horse when they were just married. Within their first year of marriage, she was pregnant, and one day she went to the barn and a horse kicked her in the head, and that's it. She passed away, and Fernand after that was all by himself. Like everybody in the village kind of helped him and took care of him until he died. Yeah, and he died. He was like 91, 92 years old. He had a good life. Sad, but I remember sometimes he used to knock on the door at our place. He was just bored and nothing to do, and he'd just come and see us and talk. He was he didn't, I don't think he was able to read or write, but he was fascinated by books, newspaper, magazine. I used to collect cartoons, and he would ask me about, you know, the images and the story. He was a good man, you know, like a kid at heart. Anyway, I digress. That's just reminiscing from my childhood. I used to have a great time here. My friends and you know, girlfriends and friends from school, we used to come here all the time and play in the woods, you know, on our dirt bike, and play around the river, go fishing, climb trees. That was back in the early 70s. It was good. It was before all the work and responsibilities, and you know, when you can just enjoy life and everything to the fullest, not worried about, you know, family and money and stress and politics and all the bullshit. Just living, enjoying, not thinking about tomorrow. Just being. Let it be. Yeah. That's the story. Okay, what else? So we're getting close to the river. This river basically goes from the St. Lawrence River all the way to the Champlain Lake in the US. Actually, the Champlain Lake is in the US and in Canada. The US-Canada border, you know, is in the lake. Look at this horse. Let's not spook the horse. Good. All right. Quite a few people. All these people are by the river, you know, just looking at the birds and the river and enjoying the nice weather. Like I'm pointing the camera towards the river, so I'm not looking in front of me, kind of using my peripheral vision to not end up in the ditch or in someone walking or a bike, but I'm trying to get like the camera, you know, to record as much as possible of the river, because I love this river. I used to come here all the time when I was a kid, and my friends. We used to like have adventures, and you know, could be here all day long, and then our moms would go crazy because it was supper time and they didn't know where we were. And actually, one of my friends died in this river. He drowned. Yep, he was fishing on a boat, and I think there might have been some alcohol involved, and he fell in the river. Whoa, Jesus. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to just... the road here is not paved, so because I'm not looking in where I'm going, kind of running into all the potholes. That's not safe. There's cars coming and going and people. It's okay. Yep, that's the adventure. No more. Should try that again. I'll take a day and just walk the river. Bring some sandwiches. Yep. Maybe come with the kids, friends. Look at this. Parc du Sanctuaire, Saint-Majorique. There you go. I don't know if you saw that on the camera. But that's basically where we are. Hello there. Kid was waving me. Kids, they often do that. It's funny when you're on a motorcycle. Kids and older people, they look at you like you're some kind of alien or something. It happens all the time. Other bikers too, you know, but especially kids. They point at you and they salute you, and even teenagers, you know, like often I've been, you know, in town and saw kids waiting at the bus stop, and usually it's boys, you know, like maybe they like the idea of motorcycles, but they go, you know, like, hey, yeah, way to go, man, I want to do what you're doing, you're my inspiration. Look at this, that's the idea. Beautiful. Yep. And you can see fish and ducks and birds and bears and raton laveur. What do you call that in English? Raton laveur. It's raton laveur. You know, those big rat with you know, like clean their food there. Hopefully there won't be too much camera shake. I've got the camera in my helmet. I did a few tests earlier with the camera as I was wearing it as a body cam, you know, like kind of in a necklace or in my motorcycle jacket pocket, but it didn't do a good job. It was kind of it was too shaky, you know, like it was all over the place. Not fun to watch. I tried a few things to remove the camera shake, some filters and AVI Max, and no, it didn't work. It was just unwatchable. I also tried time-lapsing it, but no. So hopefully this will be better. I've got the camera right there in my helmet in front of it's kind of blocking my vision a little bit, but you know, I'm looking far, so it's not too bad. There we go, some more river. Yeah. What do you call those raton laveur in English? What's the name? You know, they're in town now and they're always after your garbage. Gee. Oh man. Look at this. Beautiful. One of my old girlfriends used to live around here. I remember she had a German Shepherd. Yep. And you know, trying to surprise her was not a good idea once the freaking shepherd bit me. Alright, let's turn around here. Actually, he bit me pretty bad on the leg. Still have the scar to prove it. Alright, are we good here? We're good here. Let's go. I love this. This is the life. More river. Hey, salut monsieur. Hi there. Hey. Yeah. He smiled. I love that. I love making people smile. And everybody is in their bubble. Talk to me.